Hey everyone, this is Ms. Brown. This is a lesson on description. Description is the key element to great writing. So we're going to be talking about in this PowerPoint 3 descriptive techniques you want to incorporate in your writing. The 3 descriptive techniques this PowerPoint will detail are called naming, detailing, and comparing. Okay, so naming means you call objects, people, places, really any kind of noun, exactly what they are. That seems like an obvious, but you would be very surprised at how many times we leave off the obvious when the obvious needs to be there. So like a bad example of this would be the car hit the other car in the parking lot. Okay, well, which car? What kind of car? What's the other car? You know, what's the differences between them? Where in the parking lot? And so things like that. So we want to be more detailed. So a better example just names what you meant. So the gray Toyota Corolla hit the black Dodge Ram. Now we can visualize what these cars look like. In the Walmart parking lot in Canton. Well, if you've ever been to the Walmart in Canton, you know where it is. You know about what that parking lot looks like. You can kind of picture those diagonal spaces and things like that. So we want to be that detailed when we name things. Okay, trying to move on to the next slide. Okay, so moving on to the next item. Well, here we go. The naming example. This is from your book. This is from page 19 in your textbook in chapter 2. And it's from the essay called Calling Home. All right, so what I did was, this is just a screenshot of that page 19. And let me find the little draw feature. There we go. If you look at this paragraph here, there's a lot of naming details, okay? The shopping center was swarming with frantic last-minute shoppers. So you can picture what these shoppers look like. They're stressed out, they're running into each other. They're just kind of desperate to get done with Christmas shopping. We went first to the general store, which is a specific name of a store, my favorite. It carried mostly knickknacks and other useless items. So you can kind of picture this is probably like one of those cheap stores with those kind of specific names. We're going to skip around. I was 13 years old at the time, and things like buttons and calendars and posters. These are specific names of things this 13-year-old child liked. This day was no different. The object of my desire was a 75-cent Snoopy button. And there's a specific name there. And that helps us picture, you know, the little button. We know what Snoopy looks like. 75-cent button means it, you know, was kind of cheap. Where was it? The general store, and things like that. So this is a great, you know, she uses a lot of great naming details in here.